So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can resize multiple images, or you can resize images in bulk without downloading any software. It's an online process. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for bulk resize photos. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and open the first website that appear right in front of you. Here it will ask you to upload multiple bulk images. Once you do that, you can manually customize the size for the same. For example, let's upload two different images, and now it will ask me to change the scale and multiple parameters, and just simply hit start and download. Here multiple bulk photos have been customized simultaneously. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.